Welcome to day one of the AO retreat at the Hard Rock Hotel in beautiful Cabo, Mexico. Our leaders arrived from all across the US and Canada to enjoy this incredible resort.
You guys living? Oh, let's go. Come on, come on. We're about to have a great time. Let's get it. Let's go.
AO Saul Karami coming here from the beautiful Los Cabos. Want to express some gratitude for the fact that, we get to come here and have our company pay for this whole entire trip merely and only because we go to work every day and we do our jobs.
I'm so excited to meet with everyone, have some of our people here. It's so cool to be able to get together in a business like this and do stuff like this. Like, what other company in the world do you know that takes their people to Mexico?
The Hard Rock Hotel has 4 restaurants, swim-up pools, a bowling alley, and one incredible view, truly one of Mexico's greatest hotels.
Hey yo, it's Gunnar Jorstad. We are here at the Hard Rock Hotel in Los Cabos, Mexico. We have the reception down on the beach tonight. I cannot wait to see what else is in store. Ayo, let's go.
As the sun began to set, AO got the beach ready for a night to remember.
It starts right here. You guys are all the future.
Cabo's really special to me, and the reason why is about 4 years ago, I got my Rolex here in Cabo, and we were a lot smaller team than we are today. And I remember taking it off of James Hill's wrist, and it's his birthday today. Happy birthday to you! But guys, everything's gonna come together like it is today for me, for you.
Let me ask y'all, how does it feel to be exactly where you should be right now in this moment?
As the night continued, our leaders were recognized for their incredible achievements this past year, showing all of us what Opportunity Unlimited really means.
This is a celebration of each and every single one of you. This has nothing to do with us. This is all about you.
Have a lot of fun on this trip. I'm super excited to get to spend time with you guys, talk with you, talk about the future, and just have fun. Let's have a beautiful evening, ladies and gentlemen. Come on!